Hi everyone, my name is Nirthanis, and in this video we're going to learn how to rationalize surds. So what does rationalizing surds even mean? Well, this is the process of converting a fraction that includes a square root at the denominator into one that doesn't include a square root at the denominator. And this is done without changing the value of the original fraction itself. Now let's see this in a couple of examples, starting with one where we only have a square root at the denominator. So for this, the first thing to do is to multiply by the denominator over the denominator, so by root 6 over root 6 in this case. And this is the same as multiplying by 1, so we do not change the value of the original fraction. From here, we just multiply the numerators together and the denominators together, and that gives us 2 root 6 over 6. Now from here, we need to make sure to simplify the fraction as well, because a common mistake is not simplifying the fraction, and that leads to lost marks in exams. So when we do that in this case, we can divide the top and the bottom by 2, and that gives us root 6 over 3, which is our final answer. Now let's look at an example when we have the number and a square root at the denominator, like over here. So when this happens, the method is exactly the same, except for one key difference. So once again, we multiply by the denominator over the denominator, except that we change the sign in front of the square root to the opposite sign. So either from plus to minus or from minus to plus. So in this case, we're going to go from plus to minus. So we multiply by 2 minus root 5 over 2 minus root 5. From here, we just multiply the two fractions together. And we can do this by first writing it in bracket form like so. And then expanding it to give us this. Now, I won't go into how to expand the brackets, but there are videos available if you want to learn how to do that. Now, from here, you can see at the denominator, even though we have square roots, the square roots cancel, and that's as a direct consequence of changing the sign. So that's why we change the sign. From here, we just simplify the denominator like so, and then we end up with our final answer of 3 root 5 minus 6, or 3 brackets root 5 minus 2 when we factorize it. So that's it from me. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.